Welcome to the Hot Topics for Project Management Framework. Click through these hot topics to review some of the key concepts covered in this lesson. What is the definition of a project? Temporary, creates a unique product, service, or result. What is operational work? Ongoing work to support the business and systems of the organization. What is the definition of a program? What is the definition of a portfolio? Program, a group of interrelated projects managed in a coordinated way. Portfolio, a group of programs, individual projects, and related operational work to achieve a specific strategic business goal. What is Organizational Project Management, or OPM? What are its benefits? A framework for keeping the organization focused on its overall strategy. Provides direction for how portfolios, programs, projects, and other organizational work should be prioritized, managed, executed, and measured to best achieve the firm's strategic goals. What is OPM 3? A PMI model designed to help organizations determine their level of maturity in project management. What is a project management office, or PMO? What are three possible formats for a PMO? A department that centralizes and standardizes the management of projects. Supportive, controlling, directive. What are project constraints? Time, cost, risk, scope, quality, resources, and customer satisfaction. Constraints are used to help evaluate competing demands. Who are project stakeholders? Anyone whose interests may be positively or negatively impacted by the project, including the project manager, customer, sponsor, performing organization, other departments or groups within the organization, team members functional or operational managers, sellers, funding sources, end users, or PMO. What are three primary forms of organizational structure? Functional, projectized, matrix. What is a functional organization? The organization is grouped by areas of specialization, for example, accounting, marketing. What is a projectized organization? The organization is grouped by project. The team has no department to go to at project end. The project manager has total control of the resources. What is a matrix organization? A blend of functional and projectized organization where the team members have two bosses, the project manager and functional manager. What is a strong matrix organization? A matrix organization where the balance of power rests with the project manager instead of the functional manager. What is a weak matrix organization? What role might the project manager play in a weak matrix? A matrix organization where the balance of power rests with the functional manager instead of the project manager. A project expediter or a project coordinator. What is a balanced matrix organization? A matrix organization where power is equally balanced between the project manager and the functional manager. What is a project-based organization? A temporary framework for projects created to circumvent any obstacles inherent in the organization's existing structure, whether functional, projectized, or matrix. What are enterprise environmental factors? When are they used? The organization's culture and existing systems that the project will have to deal with or can make use of. They are used throughout the project management process. What are organizational process assets? When are they used? Company processes and procedures, historical information, and lessons learned. They are used throughout the project management process. What is historical information? Records of past projects, including lessons learned, used to plan and manage future projects. Records of the current project that will become part of organizational process assets. What is a project management information system? The automated system to submit and track changes and monitor and control project activities. What do lessons learned describe? How are lessons learned used? What went right, what went wrong, and what would be done differently if the project could be redone? Used in planning the project and used by other projects in the future. What is work performance data? Measurements and details about activities gathered during project work, executing. What is work performance information? Work performance data analyzed to make sure it conforms to the project management plan and to assess what it means for the project as a whole. What are work performance reports? Work performance information organized into reports that are distributed to the stakeholders. What is a product lifecycle? The cycle of a product's life from conception to withdrawal from the marketplace. What is a project lifecycle? What you need to do to complete the work, produce the deliverables of the project. It varies by type of product, industry, and the organization's preferences. Describe a plan-driven project. Has a predictive life cycle in which scope, schedule, and cost are determined in detail early in the life of the project, before the work begins to produce the project deliverables. Describe a change-driven project. Uses iterative, incremental, or adaptive, agile life cycles. Has varying levels of early planning for scope, schedule, and cost.